لَكُمْ. And He put all of that in place as a thing for all of you to enjoy, for all of you to take advantage of. But not just you, your animals too. وَلِأَنْعَامِكُمْ. And I'd like you to understand here, when Allah says you and your animals, it's significant. Why is it mentioning you and your animals? Everything Allah mentioned so far, from the sky, if we go back, the sky, then the night and day, then the earth being smooth, then water and pasture, and now finally the mountains. All of this is things for, we and our animals to enjoy. Some animals, their pasture, what they eat, what they graze on, what they feed on is only found in the mountains. It's only found in the mountains. Some minerals, some resources, some construction materials that we need are only found in the mountains. If the night and day weren't the succession that they are, agriculture would stop. If the water didn't come out of the earth the way it does, we wouldn't have the rivers and the waterways that are necessary for crop to exist. So this entire system was put in place for Allah Azza wa Jal to facilitate life on this earth. But now the significance of you and your animals. Of course, especially in ancient society and even today, without animals, human beings can't survive. We are actually dependent on animals. Not just for food, but for skin and for skin, but for the agricultural value that they have around the world. Without them, without animals, we don't survive in this world. It doesn't happen. But the other thing is, when He puts us together, we are masters over our animals. Listen to this carefully. We are masters over our sheep and our goats and our cows and our horses. They do our work. They exhaust themselves for us. And when they are no good anymore, what do we do with them? We slaughter them and take their meat and their skin or whatever, and we just get rid of them. Right? That's what we do. And our animals are literally domesticated, musakhar, humbled, mudallal. They have been humiliated and domesticated. They live in the housing we give them. They eat what we feed them. They have no independence. They are literally enslaved to our service. That's what these animals are. Enslaved to our service and loyal to their masters. They listen to the farmer yell and scream. And they stop and they move. They get whipped. They get their reins pulled. This is what the animals are. And then Allah puts them and us in the same sentence. مَتَاعًا لَكُمْ وَلِأَنْعَامِكُمْ, as if to say, what your animals are to you, you are to me. You are to me no different than your cattle. I feed you like I feed them. This is actually a humility check from Allah. Just previously, Allah mentioned one of the most arrogant human beings that ever lived that looked at other people like animals. Remember, فَحَشَرَ فَنَادَى? Now Allah is putting us all in check. You're all mahshur to me. You're all provided for like animals are provided for. This is actually a running theme in Meccan Quran. Look at your animals and then think about who Allah is to you.